Hello buddies, this is our 50th video. So what is so special about today? So it's been 8 to 9 months since I have started this channel. We have crossed 49 videos and this is the 50th video for which I am giving away 50 Lightroom presets that you can use both in your PC and your mobile. So excited. So I am more excited to give you all this. So before that, I have to make it clear that all these 50 presets are not my own presets. These are my collections which I have been using for a long time. So I have some 100 Lightroom presets, maybe more than that, which I have collected from all around the world from various videos and from the internet, and I have been using them for the past few months, of which I have selected best 43 presets from my collection, and you also have 7 of my own presets. So yes, you have 7 of my own presets which you can try out and let me know how it really looks. And yeah, the link is available in the bio, but before that you need to watch this video for the password. So yes, watch this video till the end to get the password to download those presets. So let's leave that 43 presets from around the world. They are really good. You can just use them in your images. I'm so excited to launch my own 7 presets. So those 7 presets are named as Dreams, Moody Eyes, Moods, Gold Plated, Teal and Orange, Igloo and Dope Vibes. So these are my 7 presets that I am giving away today. So actually presets were introduced generally to edit similar photos where you have all the background and lights are of the same settings, and that's why presets were introduced, so that you need not edit all the images. For example, just imagine a wedding. You have the same lighting for the entire day, right? You can't just keep editing all the pics, right? So that's why presets were introduced. You can just copy the editing done on one image and just copy it to all the other images. But now people started to use presets for all the images. Like if they had done a particular edit for a picture that was shot on the sunlight, they can just apply the same edit works to the other images that maybe they would take in the future, right? And that's why they have started to use the presets nowadays. That's enough about the presets. Now let's see how we can get these presets in your mobile. So just dive into the description and you have a link there. Just click on that and it will be redirect to a different page. So I'll just do along with you so that it will be helpful for you, and I'll also put a screen grab here. So first what we have to do is just open the link in the description. You are being redirected to a different website where you have the option to download the presets. Just click on that. So now you will be asked to subscribe my channel. So just click on the subscribe button and you will be redirected to my YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button there and come back here. You will have the link unlocked. So click on the download the presets button. So you have a checkbox whether to accept the emails from me in future. So if you wish to get such emails from me, you can just click the checkbox. Else you can ignore and click on the download the presets button. And once you click on the download the presets button, for some of them the zip file is automatically downloaded, and for few the email address is asked. So when I tried with my PC, it automatically downloaded the zip file, while in my mobile it is asking for my email address. So just give your email address and you can receive the zip file in your mail. Just check your inbox. If it's not available, check the promotions tab as well. So somewhere it will be available, and just download that zip file. And now let's see how we can import these 50 presets into Lightroom mobile. And guys, in PC, the latest Lightroom version, you can easily import these XMP files directly by going to just file and import presets. You can just directly import that. Only in mobile it's a big process. It's easy but quite lengthy. So I'll show you how to copy these presets into your mobile. So just open that zip file. For most of the phones, these zip files can be extracted directly. It just asks for the password, while in some phones it's not extractable. Hence I have given the link for some third-party extracting apps that will help you to extract this file. So just extract this file directly to the preset folder. I will show you the path of the folder now. Just follow the same and extract this files to the preset folder. So I'm just double clicking this zip file. So it's asking to extract files. So I'm clicking on that and the path is go to the internal storage and go inside the Android folder first. So inside the Android folder, go inside the data folder. So inside that, search for com.adobe.lr mobile. LR is Lightroom mobile. So if it's not easily available, you can just sort the list and it will be available among the first 4 folders. So in com.adobe.lr mobile, just go inside that, and inside that you have the files folder, just go inside that, and inside that go inside the carousel documents folder, and inside that you have some weird text folder, just go inside that, maybe ABCD and numbers or zeros, whatever it is, just go inside that. And you have the profiles folder, just go inside the profiles folder there and go inside the settings, and inside that just go inside the user styles and just extract the presets here. So now when we click the extract here button, it's gonna ask you something. What is that? The password. So what is the password, guys? Have you guessed? It's in the screen now. So yes guys, my password is here. It's DOPE, DOPE in capital letters. Just type the password and you will have access to my presets. So just extract the presets in this part. That's it. Just click on the extract button and all the presets are now available in your Lightroom. That's it guys, just simple. I'll just put the navigation here. You can just see that if you have any doubt, just extract these files directly into the folder. And so now we can just jump into the Lightroom and see if the presets are available. So I'm just opening a random image and going to just check if the presets are available. So now if we go inside the presets tab, we have 4 folders in that. So these are anything and everything, Night Wolf, Simple Colors and Girish Karyo presets. So in the Girish Karyo presets, I have 7 of my own presets, and all the other folders have different presets from around the world that you can just directly use it. And just don't use the presets directly, just check if the preset suits the image. If not, just make the required tweaks here and there and make the image look good. So in these 4 folders, one is my preset folder and the Night Wolf folder is for all the images that you took in the night. So in low light conditions or you have a night kind of feel in your image, you can just try out these presets. These are very good for your night photos. And this anything and everything folder consists of some different types of presets that you can use for all your images. And also the Simple Colors is quite simple presets that also you can use for all your images. So and once again, just don't bluntly paste the presets and save the image. If required, make changes in your image. So of my presets, my favorite one is the Igloo preset, because however dull your image is, it's gonna make it pop and it's gonna make it wow. So if you see this image, it's totally dark. I took this image in my GoPro while it's totally exposed for the clouds and I'm totally dark. But this preset, Igloo preset, do you know what it did? This is our outcome. So it has turned my dull image to just a wow image, right? That's my favorite preset. Actually, this turned out when I was just tweaking all the settings to bring a dull image to a good brightened condition. So yes guys, it's done. That's it for the day. So I have given you my own collection of presets and my own presets together of 50 presets for my 50th video. So last September I started this channel and I have successfully done 50 videos till now. You are watching this video, so till now we have done 50 videos. So thanks for all the support guys, keep supporting and just be with me as I march towards my YouTube goals. So yes guys, that's it for this video. If you're new here, I'm Karyo from India. We talk photography, filmmaking and social media stuff that help creators like us. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified. So if you like this video, do smash that thumbs up button and also let me know in comments if this video was helpful. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Karyo signing off.